How to reset Blox Fruit private server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to reset your private server in Blox Fruit, the owner needs to type /shutdown in the in-game chat. And this will kick all the players from the server after a 15-second countdown and restart the currency like first, second or third from the beginning. And private servers only allow 2 fruit spawns per session. After this spawns, no more fruits will appear until you reset the server with the /shutdown command. There are no other /reset or /restart commands. /shutdown is the only built-in command to reset your private server. So that's it for this video. Make sure that you're in the sea that you want to reset. Make sure that you're in the sea that you want to reset, first, second, or third. It's recommended to leave the server before typing /shutdown in the chat and wait for 15 seconds countdown to finish. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.